Start.
This is a magnetic stirrer and this is without hot plate, and when you put the beaker with the bead inside, put it in the center, switch it on, and indicator starts, and then you stir it. This bead starts. When it starts, just bring it slowly back. There can be some stage like this where it is vibrating, and then it will if you just switch it on and to the higher, sometimes this will not move. So back to the slow position so that it moves slowly. If it vibrates, it jumps like this. So that means the bead is not in the center. So better switch it off, bring it in the center, and then start. Keep it to the minimum. This comes with another model is with the hot plate. Please visit our website abron01.com and send us your requirements. Thank you very much.